Hey guys, it's Viva Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. So as you guys know, I do a lot of makeup and business videos, and today's video is going to be a really quick business video. If you guys are not aware, I was using the platform Wix, but I went ahead and I switched over to Shopify because it's supposed to be the best platform for online businesses. And in my opinion, I've been using it for a few days now, and I definitely agree. So since I'm new to Shopify, I wanted to show you guys how to quickly create a website for your little boutique, like your lip gloss company, eyelashes, and basically something simple for you guys, because what I'm going through, you guys will go through the same thing. So as you guys can see here, I'm on the Shopify main page. I'm gonna go ahead and click where it says online store. And I'm basically just going to show you guys how my website looks right now. I used one of Shopify's free themes, and it's the debut one, and that's the one that I use. So you can choose whichever theme you want. And you can also upload themes off of the computer. You can search free Shopify themes and you can download them and upload them to the Shopify website using where it says theme library and upload theme. But you can just go to Shopify and click on the free themes that they have, explore free themes. And these are all of the free themes that they have, and as you can see, I have this one here. So that's the website that I chose, and now this is how it looks. Okay, so all of the stuff I added myself. If you click on every tab, you can change everything. I changed my picture here. I added making your girly dreams come true. You could put a button there and link it to a product if you wanted to, but I didn't do that because that's just like my main photo on my website. The next tab here, you could always put a product there, but I just put like a cute picture and also a quote there. And again, you can link that with a button. You can link it to a product. And then you have, when you scroll down right here, you have text columns, and I put 3 different products, and I also put like a short description of those products. And then you have the option of putting a featured products, and these are the products that I chose to be featured. Some are new, some are my top sellers, and you can determine how many products you want in this row. You can put up to 5 products, and you can do up to 5 rows, but I'm going to keep mine at 2 rows and 3 products for each row. Then you have the option of putting an image here. You can create like a sell banner or something like that and put that there. And then below that, you have the testimonials, which you can get from your customers, and you put it on the website. Then you have the gallery option, which you could just put cute images or like pictures of your products, whatever you want to do. And then I also added the Instagram feed, which strolls on the page. And of course, you can edit that. You can edit how you want it to be, a layout, a collage, or a grid. And you can edit the size, and you also have the row count that you can edit. Then you can scroll down and you can actually change the colors of the buttons and the headings and stuff like that. And that's that. Okay, so then we have the footer, which is at the bottom of the page. And I'm going to show you guys how to add pages. The header is where you put your logo. That's going to be the first page here, and I have my logo there. So now what I really wanted to show you guys is how to create different pages, because it can be kind of difficult. So I'm just going to show you guys how I create individual pages for the products. So we are going to go back to pretty much the main screen. I'm going to take you guys home. So then we are going to go to products, and these are all of my products. When you make your products, you want to make sure that you're putting them into collections. Like, say I have a collection for my glitter gats, I have a collection for my gloss, I have a collection for hair accessories, for press-ons, for pigments, for lashes, for body oils, and phone accessories, neon pigments, and glitter. Basically, all of your products, they need to be in collections, because this is how you're going to create your pages. So when you have everything in the collections, and how to add your items to the collection, just in case you guys don't know, you can just click your products, and on the side it says collections. Then you just want to add it to the collections that it belongs in. And you can also set your collections to be set by a keyword like gloss. If it has gloss in it, then it will go inside of the gloss collection. Okay, so we are going to go back to the home screen, and we're going to go down to where it says online store. And then we are going to go to navigation. No, first we're going to go to pages, because for every product, you're going to need to create a different page. So I have a bunch of pages. So you want to create a page that says like body oil or hair. For this video, I'm going to create a page for, what can I create? I'll do lashes, because I don't have lashes on the page yet. LASH, lashes. Okay, so we are going to set this page for lashes, and I'm going to save that. And now when I go back here, it says lashes. That's the page we just created. So then we're going to go to navigation. You don't have to do anything on that page. So we're going to go to the main menu, because this is the part that we're going to be editing, because it's the one that's at the top of the website, the main menu. So these are all of the pages that I have on my site. As you guys can see, press on nails, glitter glats, lip gloss, stuff like that. Okay, so we're going to go back, and we are going to go to where it says add menu on the bottom. And then we are going to name the menu lashes. And we're going to click where it says link, and then we're going to go up to collections. So we are going to find where it says lashes. So this is how it's going to link that page to all of the products that are in that collection. And in this instance, it's going to be lashes. And then you can filter the collection with tags, and everything that says lashes or eyelashes, everything that says that is going to go onto that page. Then we're going to hit save. I'm not sure if I added lashes to the collection itself. If not, then we can just go back and add lashes, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Yeah, see, there's no products in this collection. So now we have to go and add the lashes to the collection. So now we are going back home. We are going to products, and then I have to find my lashes. Where are they? Right here. So these are the only lashes I have. Okay, so they should be in here. I'm just going to use this to go back to pages. I'm at navigation. So we're going to go back to navigation, and we're going to go back to the main menu. And I'm going to delete this one because it didn't have anything in there. And we're going to link to collections. And here's lashes. And it's going to say lashes now. So we press save. And then this should work. But obviously it's not going to work on that one because I just deleted that one. Okay, so lashes. Now we have lashes in the collection. So therefore we have it on the page. So that's something super easy. Also with doing your website privacy policy, terms of service, refund policy, and shipping policy, you do the same thing. You go to pages and you have to create pages for each policy. And this is how it looks. You put in your policy in the page, you press save, and then you have to go to navigation. And this time you're going to put your policy in the footer, which is at the bottom. You could put it in the main menu, but I like to put it in the footer. So that's how that looks. And you just go to the footer and you add each page. And that's super easy, guys. You just go to pages and you basically add like privacy policy, which I already have, so I'm not going to do that. But that's going to be it for today's video. I don't want it to be a long video. I just wanted to basically help get you guys like on the road to using your websites. And it's super easy to do. I hope this video helped you guys. And as you guys can see, you can go to theme settings and change the colors of your website. As you guys can see, most of mine is pink. That's how I like it. Yeah, super easy, guys. I'm going to do more videos. If you guys like these videos, I'll do more. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.